So I'm right now going to demonstrate our engineering sample of the R013-EXT-U-P. It's these two little pigtails here. So here's I'm holding right now is the transmitter. You can see it's a pigtail, and it takes power from the micro USB port. And also additionally, we have over here another HDMI output for local ports. Then on the receiver side, same thing again, a pigtail. It also uses power from micro USB. And then there's also the equalizer here, or equal adjustment switch, toggle switch, so you can adjust the equalization. So that's the device. Now the limit we have for this is 125 feet Cat6. So that's why I have here a Cat6 cable that's 125 feet. And for devices, I'm going to be using 3 TVs, but one TV, the TV in the back right here is just mostly for local port, just to show you what local looks like. The main thing for the receivers I'm going to be using is the Sony TV and a Samsung TV monitor. Now, for the source, I'll be using 2 different sources, an Apple TV and a Sony player, video player. So first, starting off, I will start with the Apple TV. Okay, so you need to plug the transmitter into the Apple TV, and then you need to plug in the category cable, Cat6 cable, and also my USB power. Now my micro USB power, I have cables already connected to the USB power adapter, so all you do is plug it in. And lastly I'm going to do is plug in, like I said, a local monitor to the local port. And there you go. And here, you see Apple TV on the local port. So we know the local side is working. Now I'm going to do a switch to the second side. Okay, the second side, I'll start with the Samsung TV monitor. So I'm going to start with the UTP cable in, and I'm going to plug this to the monitor. And lastly, I'm going to plug the power into the unit. And what I do, here you see, video all come up. Move out of the way here real quick. So here you see Apple TV. And you can hear audio is passed through. I would like to do try to play something, but right now we don't have anything connected to the internet. But as you can see, Apple TV does pass. Okay. Now that's with Apple TV. Now I'm going to switch to another player, the Sony player. So that one. Actually, before I do that, you need to change a different monitor. So from Samsung, I'm going to switch it directly to the Sony. Now I'm going to just do a quick hot plugging. I don't recommend you to do it, but same time, I'm going to do a quick hot plug. Here you go. I plugged into the unit, and here you see. Also on the Sony TV, the bigger TV, it still comes up. Everything all work. So you can go through anything. If you have the Apple TV connected to the internet, you can watch anything you want. Okay. If you notice, when I did plug it in, it showed the resolution, but let me just show you right now again. Resolution we do is 1080p, and although it doesn't stay up here, it's 60 Hz. Now, actually, I can show you right here real quick. Can you see if I can get you a setting right now? Do the show setting. So here you go. I'm going to switch it to 1080p, 60 Hz. And here you see it. It comes up, or it works. So I did set it to 1080p, 60 Hz. Okay, so that's this with the Apple TV. So we know it works with Apple TV or Apple products. Next I'm going to do is an actual Blu-ray player that some people will be using too. So With this, again, I don't want you to do it, recommend you doing it, but I'm gonna hot plug it from the Apple TV to my Blu-ray player. And I'm gonna turn the Blu-ray player on. So with the Blu-ray player on, you see it here you can see it loading up. Local port loading up. Remote receiver side. And again, let me show you a quick setting. My screen settings. My resolution I'm going to set to 1080p. I'm going to turn the 24p off, so basically 60 Hertz. And deep color, I'm going to turn it off. We don't support deep color. Or deep color off basically means 24-bit deep color or 8-bit deep color, depending on the terminology they use. And I'm going to play a Blu-ray movie. So these are just the basics of the loading screen for the movie. Make sure everything works fine still. And it seems like it works. So let me show you, that's the local port, remote port, receiver side, or the extended side. Let me show you when we get to the part where there's like audio. And here audio comes up. And the resolution, again, 1080p. So we know the extended port also works on the TV. I will skip this portion. I'll skip using TV monitor because we already know that works. I'll just keep like this. And that's this unit in a nutshell.